Hello, so the next question is the ratio of kinetic energy to the total energy of an electron in Bohr orbit of the hydrogen atom is 1 is to 1, 1 is to minus 2, 2 is to minus 1, 1 is to 1. So as we know that the relation between the kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy is minus of total energy is equals to kinetic energy, which is equals to minus of potential energy half, which is TE equals to KE minus of TE, which is equals to PE by half. So the ratio between the kinetic energy and total energy comes out to be 1 is to minus 1. So the correct answer of the following question, the ratio of the kinetic energy to the total energy of an electron in a Bohr orbit of the hydrogen atom is 1 is to 1. Thank you.